back to another video. And we're playing Roblox, obby, but I'm currently 200 meters up. I haven't recorded any parts of this, but part one, like and subscribe if you want part two. Let's just go. So what we're trying to do is find the King Duck's crown, which is apparently at Evil Duck's kingdom. So, you know where we're going. And Evil Duck's kingdom is at 300 meters. You have to go 100 more up. And this video is going to be long, so you got to grab your popcorn, buddies. Hold on a second, I gotta leave this group that I'm in with my friend. Yeah, don't ask what my profile picture on Xbox is. That's my cousin. I took a picture of him with a filter on when I was little. Yeah. Not little, but... How do I say little? I mean like a little ago, like last week, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was last week. Oh, we have to get one of these. Nope. I don't get paid for this. There we go. Oh no, it's this part. I hate this. I did it, guys. I made it. Let's go. I think we gotta go around this way. Yep. Imagine if I died from that fight. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, now I know what to do here. Come on, down this time. I don't down or I don't know. Yeah, we've definitely not been here before. No! Alright guys, I'll cut back on the video when I get back there. So guys, I'm at where I was at. I might put a fall meter in the corner. If I wanted to edit the video. So, I don't know either. Oh wait. This last time you didn't make that jump. Now I remember. There was a spike there. Oh, we did. Alright, the timing for those pink things are just like count a few seconds and then blah blah blah. Roblox, Roblox, Roblox. Yeah. Hiya. Oh my god, I can't see. Oh, ladder. Win. Oh, a new item. That's a new thing that you can jump on now. Great. That's probably gonna be a lot now. First time I introduced the pink blocks, there was a lot of it. Trust me.
Hey, Dad.
What?
You really need to get GTA Online.
My brother just interrupted and said some bad things. How do I beat this? Oh wait, oh that's hard. 1, 2. 1, 2. No! No! I'll be back. Wait. Oh wait, we got a checkpoint. I mean, it's close to the place. Am I going the wrong way or the right way? No, I'm going the right way. I'm a purple birdie on the wind. Shoot! Oh, I have to do that there. Alright guys, we're actually doing some good progress. Alright, how do I get up here? What am I supposed to do? Oh. Boing. Which way? That way or that way, guys? Alright, guys. If you pick this one, this is the way that I'm going. If you pick this one, this is the way that I wasn't going. So let's go this way. More poisonous stuff. If you guys want to know what's there, just go watch another video. A store? Closed forever. Payphone. Oh wait. Bring. Checkpoint. Every 10 meters you get a checkpoint. 1, 2. I'm not supposed to go up there. I'm supposed to go down here. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Did I? Am I supposed to go this way? I'm tripping. Down here. I would die anyway. And guys, this checkpoint is pretty long, by the way. No. I remember like level checkpoint 2, bro. That part was like really easy. But I have to go through this here. No! I'll be back, guys. You were about to see. Give me the toilet. Yeah. Alright, guys, I beat the part. Definitely need to spend 26 minutes doing this. Alright, come on, guys. Alright, guys, I'll be back. Alright, guys, we're back. This only took me a little this time. What do I do here? Do I have to make that jump? Because this is impossible. Go back again. Only took me a little this time. What do I do here? Is it possible to do that jump? Or is it? It's impossible! Wait, actually though! Alright guys, so I just figured out a skip, so you don't need to worry about our life problems now. But what do I do? Like, I can't get up here, I can't go over there, I can't like go through the wall. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. Unless I have to jump down somewhere. Like, I can't do anything. If I perfectly time it, I can somehow make it, but... No. Alright, guys, so I'm not playing this game again. I can't beat that part. It's impossible. Alright, so if you want a part 2, just like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Yeah.